One of these organizations called me and said, we really want to have like women's Torah class. Could you teach it? So that was the beginning of my teaching career. That was 24 years ago.
At the end of the day, it's not that you can't be into Sephora and cute clothes and whatever, but like, what am I spending the bulk of my time and energy on, right? We want to be 80% of our life, of our daily life should be focused on ruchniut, on spirituality, on things that are important. 20% on the fun, gashmiya stuff.
So I always joke that I'm least likely person to become an Orthodox Jew. I did not meet anyone observant until I was 24. Given my unique background of growing up completely secular, atheist, like really disconnected from Judaism and having a train wreck of a dating life, I was uniquely suited to be relatable to these women and just really get them and be non-judgmental and just share with them what I had learned. I'm trying to give them the tools to date successfully with Jewish dating wisdom as best they can.
Elegance is like the word that I would use for tznius. It's not just a checklist, elbows, knees, collarbone tights. We have to think beyond that. What does Hashem have in mind with this mitzvah? Fortunately, it's often taught with shame. Tznius doesn't mean being an edel nadel and not talking.
Tznius as a midah is about depth as opposed to superficiality. It's about, I am a whole person. I have a soul. I have an intellect. There's so much more to me than just the physical. And that's what I want people to relate to. That's what I want people to see.
Publishing this book was like birthing my fifth baby. I really put my heart and soul into this book in order to help women out there. It's an easy, fun read, as if you're sitting on my couch schmoozing.
Probably my favorite gig, actually, is speaking to high school girls. I really relate to the girls. We like vibe very well, and I tell them things that no one else will tell them. I've had girls reach out to me, I want you to know I heard you twice, and I decided to become more religious, and now I'm married, and I just wanted to give you like some nachas. And I was like, oh my gosh, like thank you Hashem that I'm in this position.
If life is about growth and marriage is about growth, then it can't be smooth sailing all the time. There has to be that little bit of tension, otherwise I'm not stretching myself.
When you see something in the world that needs perfecting, it's God sending you a text message that you need to be part of the solution.